Welcome friends! Now that you know what a 10 frame is, let's learn how to use it as a tool for solving addition problems. We have added so far this year with Unifix cubes. That's these cubes that we've worked with. So we know that we need two groups of cubes to come together to make one big group, and that's all addition is. It's two groups coming together and making one big group. We've also used Reckon Recs or Abacus to help us with our addition, and these Reckon Recs and Abacus, they've helped us to see that there are fact families. For example, if you look in this one down here, this Abacus example, you see here that there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 plus 2, and 8 plus 2 is 10. If we had a fact family of that, it would be the opposite, 2 plus 8, which also gives us 10. Down here, we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this shows us 5 plus 5 equals 10. And if we flipped it, it would look the same because it's a double. Well, we can use a 10 frame to help us add also. And a 10 frame will work just like the cubes in Reckon Rec. It's going to help us to visualize or better see our two groups that we're adding together to make one big group. Here's an example of what this might look like. This word problem here says use frames to find 7 plus 2. Okay, so if you look, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 reds, and there's 1, 2 blue. Okay, I can look at this and know this whole frame has 10, and there's only one frame missing. And I know 1 less than 10 is 9, so 7 plus 2 must equal 9. Or I can look at it and see that there are 5 up here, and 1, 2, 3, 4 down here, so I can count on 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Or I can look at the group 7 and the group of 2 and count with 7 and 2. To get 9. What if the number is bigger than 10? And 10 spaces, 10 picture frames isn't enough. Well, we're going to use 2 frames. Okay? So in this case, I have 10 plus 4. So this whole frame is going to be filled up with my 10. Okay? So then my 4 are going to have to go into this frame. I think you're ready to try some number sentences, so let's try to solve some number sentences now. Okay, on this 10 frame, I have 6 and I need how many more to make 10? So this first problem that you're going to solve, you're going to need to draw out a 10 frame. You're going to need to fill it 6 times, and then you got to tell me how many more it's going to take to get 10. So 6 plus how many gives you 10? You have a group of 4, but I want 10. How many more am I going to have to add to get 10? Here we have 8, and I still want 10. How many am I going to have to add to get 10? 8 plus what will give me 10? This one's easy. It's a double. I have 5. So how many do I need to get 10? Can you figure out what I can add to 7 to get 10? 7 plus how many will give me 10? What do I need to add to 9 to get 10? All right, friends. This is your homework assignment, those last problems. So you need to log into the Google community. That's this one right here, Knout's Kingdom. Log into it under your student email address. Post your answers. You can take a picture of a piece of paper. You can record yourself on a video. You can type it into the box. You can enter it however your heart desires. Okay, but get your answers posted.